Installation and operation of 1200摄氏度 3 temperature zone tube furnace. Open the box. Install furnace pipe. Close the cabinet. Install the flange seats in sequence. Washer. Flange ring. Washer. Move to edge. Finally, install the flange cover. Fixing screws. Make sure the screws are evenly fixed. Connect trachea. Both ends should be fixed tightly to prevent air leakage. Then install the flange on the other side in sequence. Install flange cover. Fixing screws. Connect adapter. Fixed clamp. Tighten the screws. Connect bellows. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the molecular pump. The water outlet of the molecular pump is connected to the water inlet of the water cooler. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on. Turn on the vacuum gauge and molecular pump power. Make sure the bleed valve is closed after. Turn on the vacuum pump power. The vacuum reaches below 10 Pa. Start molecular pump. After startup, there is a preheating process from 400 to 0. Then winding starts to increase. Start it on behalf of. Then when closing, cannot turn off the power switch directly. You should click stop first. Wait until he returns to 0. Only then can the molecular pump power switch be turned off. Equipment operation. Click language. Enter the interface. Click on the curve. Curve settings can be made. After setting, click return. Wait until loading is complete. You can start heating. If heated to a temperature, want to pause, you can click pause directly. Then it will show pause. After pause, the preset temperature will always be maintained. The actual temperature will be closer to the preset temperature. Wait until we want to end the pause and continue heating. Just click to heat. Wait until the heating reaches the point where we want to stop it manually. Just click to stop.